This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sheri Lebrun. No showings until open house Sunday 6/27, 1 to 4 p.m., 55 plus community. It's all about the view. Bring your boat, up to 50 available dock to lease. Ocean access with no fixed bridges on the street. Lucie River. Beautiful first floor 2 halves with tastefully remodeled kitchen granite, white cabinets and stainless. This one is sold furnished, so you just need your suitcase. Tarpon Bay is close to beaches, restaurants and shopping. Amenities include large pool, tennis/pickleball, billiards plus a full workshop. Open house Sunday 6/27 1 to 4 p.m. Don't miss your chance. For more information, review the details below.